you guys, this is my first video ever that I'm gonna be making, and I'll make more. Just go check out this first video. Please like and subscribe. And today I'm gonna be showing slimes. Really cool slimes. Well, not that cool.
Not slimes.
The first one is the coolest one, so let's check it out. This is the first one.
The second was this one.
You see the color, it's really pretty, my favorite color. And it says something right here. If you guys can read it, my camera never focuses. So. And here's the packaging. This is like a diamond one. Here's a lid, it's plain.
Whoa,
It's like
whoa!
a star one.
What was that? That was a balloon.
It's amazing slime. It doesn't stick to you. The colors are cool. Well, the color is cool.
Yeah,
And
let's
yeah.
let her stick to.
It's really cool, you guys. And it's like squishy, so buy the slime at 99-cent store. If there is, I don't know. That's the first slime. Put it right here.
The second one, like this.
We're only going to be showing 3, so.
3. Oh, that one.
This is my slime. I made it. Me and my friend made ours. So. Oh yeah, and don't mind the horrible lighting. There's not that good lighting. Yeah. But okay. Here is my slime. It's kind of stretchy, as you can see. Oh, and I haven't shown you the color. I'm so sorry. So for this color, I just put pink, purple, blue. And then it just turned out to be blue like the other one, but the other one's light blue, so. This is a cool one. And it's very little, as you can see. So little. Yeah. It's not that cool though. Okay.
To make this slime, wait. Oh, this slime, I think there.
Sorry, that's my friend.
Oh, to make this slime is like only
Yeah,
borax, so we use like gloves. So a lot of YouTubers said that most of borax, your hands will get burned. So we did gloves. So and this is supposed to be red, but it turned pink. I don't know if you guys could see it. There. This is the slime number 3. Ew,
That pinkish
that's
one
gooey.
and cool one.
Gooey. Wait, I want to use this.
Well, this is a cool one.
This is like gum.
You guys, give me a comment below if you think this one's better, or mine, or my friend's. My favorite is the first one. Which one's your favorite?
My favorite one's the first one too.
Ah, so we don't like our homemade ones.
I kind of like mine too.
Yeah, I kind of like mine too. So, yeah. Bye, you guys. Like and subscribe.